Today we came to Boiling Pot. It's also called the Wailuku River. There is a parking lot and there's plenty of parking, and once you park, it's a 3-minute walk to see the Boiling Pot Waterfall.
We are coming to Boiling Pot's Wailuku River State Park.
We are going to picnic next to the waterfall. We brought lunch from Foodland. It's a box lunch, a Hawaiian box lunch. It took about 5 minutes to walk next to the waterfall to watch the waterfall while having our lunch. First time tasting a Hawaiian box lunch. And there's other people picnicking under the tree.
We are coming up to the Boiling Point Fall. Is this a fall?
It said we could hike down, but I don't know if we can.
The Hawaiian tamale called lau lau was pretty good. It was meat with vegetables. We found a place to come and walk into the water.
Unwalked path that nobody knows about. This is the uncharted territory. Walking fast, I can't see her anymore. There is the destination we're going to. Go ahead. Yes, good job. Well, it looks like we can't really get too close to it because you have to walk through the water. And if we do, then our shoes will get wet.
I'll take off my shoes.
No, you might fall and twist your ankle.
I want to go.
No, it's too dangerous. Never mind.
No, I'm going.
No, roll up your sleeves, your pants, all the way to your knee. Going to walk with her bare feet. The rocks are slippery, people said. So, oh my goodness, so dangerous. Yay, you made it across. Maybe we should have brought our flip-flops.
No, it's gonna give my height there. It's like acupuncture point.
And the slippery rocks here.
Owie, my feet hurt.
Why?
I'm stepping on these hard rocks. Get me in the waterfall.
Okay.
Owie. I'm stepping on these hard rocks. Let's make it longer.
Your pants is getting wet.
Owie.
Roll it up. Oh, I should take a picture there, right?
Take a video and I'll take a screenshot.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You want one now?
Well, I don't want to get my feet wet. there's a lot of people swimming. You can see those little kids swimming out there. I heard it's a very enjoyable swim. Good for them.
We wonder how those people got so close to the waterfall. Next time I come to Hawaii, I'm going to buy some floaties to float next to the waterfall. We came to the University of Hawaii to have some snack.
We're trying out our mango butter mochi. Is it good? Really good. Mango flavor.
Look at the view.
Look at the view of the planetarium building. We didn't pay to get in because,
It was $19 per person.
yeah, it didn't look that interesting.
There was a botanical garden at the University of Hawaii in Hilo. The garden is free. It has over 100 species of flowers.
There is a lychee flavored Slurpee. You're gonna get that.
They had this sushi roll at 7-Eleven. You have to put it together so that the seaweed doesn't get soggy. The way the sushi roll is packaged, the sushi sheet is not touched, so it's nice and crispy.
Ah. I'm gonna get it right. Everything's spilled everywhere.
Really good California roll from 7-Eleven.
Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.